Transform your living space and enhance your viewing experience with the latest trend from Amazon, the best TV wall mount stand. These popular stands are not only a testament to modern design but also offer unparalleled functionality. Ideal for any room, they provide the perfect viewing angle and a touch of elegance to your decor. Discover how these top-rated wall mounts can declutter your space and elevate your TV to the perfect height, merging style and convenience seamlessly. Get ready to turn your entertainment area into a sleek and inviting focal point with the best wall mounts available. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5 is the Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a well-designed, sturdy accessory for those looking to enhance their home entertainment setup. It supports most 37-inch to 75-inch TVs, holding devices up to 100 pounds with Visa patterns ranging from 200 by 100 to 600 by 400 millimeters, catering to a broad spectrum of flat and curved screens. However, it's essential to confirm your TV's compatibility to ensure it fits the provided specifications. The mount's functionality is a significant highlight, boasting an enhanced arm hinge that enables smooth and stable movement. The ability to extend the TV up to 14.37 inches from the wall or retract it to a minimal 3.23 inches offers versatility in viewing and aesthetic preferences. This full motion bracket enhances the user experience by providing a +5 degrees per -15 degrees tilt to mitigate screen glare and a + or -45 degrees swivel, allowing for optimal viewing from various angles within a room. Additionally, the post-installation + or -3 degrees leveling feature is a small but crucial detail, addressing any potential unevenness after mounting. Durability is another asset of the Pipishell TV mount. Crafted from robust cold-rolled steel with dual articulating arms that promise stability and security. This reassurance is vital for anyone concerned about the safety of their television when mounted. Installation is user-friendly, with comprehensive instructions, necessary hardware, a mounting template, and an included bubble level, which simplifies the process and helps achieve a perfectly aligned setup. The mount is versatile enough to be installed on wood studs, concrete, and brick walls, but it's worth noting that it is not suitable for drywall-only mounting. At number 4 is the PERLESMITH UL Listed TV Mount. The PERLESMITH UL Listed TV Mount is a practical and durable solution for those looking to securely hang their large-size TVs. Designed to fit most 37 to 82-inch TVs weighing up to 132 pounds and compatible with Visa patterns from 200 by 100 to 600 by 400 millimeters. It covers an extensive range of television models. As with any mount, checking your TV specifications for size, weight, and Visa compatibility is a must before making a purchase decision. The robust steel construction of this mount is a testament to its durability. The wall mount has been rigorously tested to hold 4 times its rated weight capacity, instilling confidence that it can safely support your TV. This level of strength assurance is a significant plus for anyone concerned about the long-term stability of their wall-mounted television. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with the capability to affix the mount to its studs or masonry. The inclusion of pull-cord locking mechanisms is a thoughtful touch, allowing for easy locking and releasing of the TV from the wall plate, a feature that adds convenience to the mounting process. Space saving is another advantage of the PERLESMITH mount. Its low-profile design ensures the TV sits just 1.2 inches from the wall, contributing to a clean, minimalist look in any room. This is especially beneficial for those aiming to maintain a streamlined aesthetic in their living space. Additionally, the ability to tilt the screen 7 degrees downward is an excellent feature for minimizing screen glare, enhancing the viewing experience. The option to shift the TV left or right for perfect centering is another feature that adds to the flexibility and customization of the mount. At number 3 is the Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a robust and versatile bracket designed to accommodate most 37 to 75-inch TVs, supporting weights of up to 132 pounds. Its compatibility with a wide range of brands, including Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, Toshiba, Sharp, LG, Philips, and JVC. Alongside the flexibility of fitting Visa mounting holes from 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters, make it a universal choice for many consumers. As always, verifying your TV specifications is essential before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Constructed from high-quality steel materials, the mount provides a strong and stable platform for your TV. Full motion adjustment is a key feature, with the ability to tilt the screen +5 degrees per -15 degrees to reduce glare, swivel it +or-45 degrees to cater to different viewing positions, and level adjust +or-3 degrees for precise alignment. These adjustments grant users the flexibility to customize their viewing experience to their comfort and room layout. Space saving is another noteworthy aspect. The mount's dual articulating arms can extend out up to 14.84 inches for an optimal viewing distance or retract to a mere 3 inches from the wall to maintain a sleek profile and conserve space. Installation is user-friendly, with the package including all necessary mounting hardware, a mounting template, and a detailed instruction manual. The mount is also versatile in terms of installation surfaces, being compatible with wood studs, concrete, and brick walls. Pipishell's confidence in their product is reflected in their quality assurance and customer support. Users can buy this mount knowing that they have access to a US-based product support team ready to assist with any questions or issues that may arise. And number 2 is the Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount is an accommodating and user-friendly option for those with larger television sets, promising a blend of ease and versatility. Designed to support most 40 to 82-inch TVs, the mount is a good fit for a variety of flat and curved screens, covering an expansive range of VISA patterns. The wide compatibility ensures that the mount can cater to a broad audience, with a simple check of the TV's back panel for VISA compliance being the only prerequisite. Installation is touted as hassle-free, and rightly so. The pre-assembled and telescopic front support is a notable feature that simplifies the mounting process. Users can appreciate the convenience of the central opening, which smartly allows for an electrical outlet, enhancing the overall setup experience by minimizing cable clutter and facilitating power connection. Stability is not taken lightly with this mount. The dual TV bracket hooks coupled with security locks and arms that are 33% thicker than average provide a sense of security and assurance, particularly when the TV is extended to its full 16.7 inches reach. For those conscious of maintaining a neat interior, the TV mount retracts to a minimal 3.1 inches from the wall, preserving a clean and modern aesthetic. The one-handed swivel is a feature that can't be overlooked. It brings tremendous convenience, allowing users to effortlessly redirect the TV by 45 degrees in either direction, catering to different viewing positions within a room. The tool-free tilt mechanism is also a boon, offering a +5 degrees per -15 degrees tilt capability to combat glare and a +or-3 degrees level adjustment to perfect TV alignment, a crucial feature post-installation. And number 1 is the PerleSmith UL listed full motion TV wall mount. The PerleSmith UL listed full motion TV wall mount is a versatile mounting solution that caters to a wide range of TVs, specifically in the 26 to 60-inch category. It supports LED, LCD, OLED, and 4K TVs with a maximum weight capacity of 77 pounds, showing versatility in accommodating modern television sets. The compatibility with multiple VISA patterns ensures that this mount is suitable for a vast array of TV brands and models. But as always, users should check their TV's VISA pattern before investing. Customization is at the heart of this mount's design. The articulating arm provides +5 degrees to -15 degrees tilt, reducing glare and enhancing comfort during viewing. The 90-degree swivel feature is particularly notable, though it's important to remember that the maximum swivel angle depends on the size of the TV. The arm's extension range from 1.77 inches to 18.89 inches allows for optimal placement and viewing angles, making it a strong choice for those who require a flexible viewing setup. The UL listing is a reassuring factor that confirms the mount's strength and durability. The sturdy arm construction and wider wall plate design contribute to the reliable support of the TV, especially when fully extended. Security and stability are emphasized through the welded active joints and rotary rivet structure. Installation is streamlined with clear instructions and a standard mounting hardware kit. The provision of a variety of bolts and spacers accommodates most TVs within the size range, and the +or-3 degrees post-installation leveling adjustment is a thoughtful inclusion that aids in achieving the perfect positioning. Designed with a single stud mounting system, this TV wall mount is also an ideal choice for corner installations. Its space-saving capabilities make it a suitable option for bedrooms, home gyms, kitchens, or any area where floor space is premium. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.